Okay, guys, this is actually the exercise which you need to solve. I have covered the problem solving and programming concept in my lecture one. So these are the activities which you need to complete. For example, in class activity one, you need to apply all those 6 steps which you learned in my lecture one. So what you need to do, you can you need to take this problem, make a national trip plan for some interesting site with respect to your own country. Then choose a career for yourself, and then arrangement of a friend birthday this weekend. So then class activity 2. In class activity 2, you need name 3 current problems in your life that could be solved through an algorithmic process. Explain why each of these problems is algorithmic in nature. So you have to think about 3 problems currently which you are dealing with in your life, and then you need to solve that problem, and then you need to explain why you think that these problems are algorithmic problems in nature. After that, you need to think, name 3 current problems in your life that might be solved through a heuristic approach. If you remember, we covered that what is heuristic problem. The problem, for example, when I was discussing, for instance, if you want to buy a mobile cell phone, so this is actually a heuristic type of problem. For example, if you want to choose your career, so this is a heuristic type of problem. So you need to think of 3 problems which are heuristic in nature. So you have to explain that why they are heuristic in nature. Then again, class activity 2, name 3 problems that might arise at home, at school, or in a business that could be solved more efficiently with computer assistance. Do these problems require any algorithmic or heuristic solutions? So then you need to think of it that state a reason why each of the 6 problem solving steps is important in developing the best solution for a problem. Give one reason for each step. Class activity 3. For each of the following tasks, write a set of numbered step-by-step instructions, a solution so complete that another person could perform the task without asking questions. Define the knowledge base of this person by listing what you expect the person to know in order to follow your directions. So what you can do that you need to think of those problems, then you need to provide the solution, then you need to write the instructions, and then in your like in your community you can just show those things to your maybe friend or the member of your household, and to just share with you that they can understand whatever you have done. Okay, class activity, for example, for a task below, make a cup of cocoa. The knowledge base might include such things as knowledge of milk or water, a refrigerator, pan, spoon, coca, cup, range top or microwave, and so forth. For example, make a cup of coca. So this is a algorithmic problem, and in this you need a simple step to solve this problem. Then sharpen a pencil. This is also algorithmic problem. Walk from the classroom to the student lounge, your dormitory, or the cafeteria. Again, this is a very simple algorithmic problem. Start a car, include direction regarding what to do if the car doesn't start. Get a glass of water from your kitchen. This is also a very simple algorithmic problem. Start your computer. Again, this is a very simple algorithmic problem. So what you need to do in activity 3? So in activity 3, this you have to do. For each of the class tasks, following tasks, write a set of numbered step-by-step instructions so complete that another person could perform the task without asking. So this is actually the task which you need to do regarding this activity, class activity 3. After writing the instructions to solve all those algorithmic problems, then you need to test your solution. So test your solution by giving your instructions to another person to see whether he or she can accomplish the task without your help. If they cannot, modify your solution so that the person can accomplish the task. Check the solution again by giving the instructions to another person. So guys, these are actually the list of activities which you need to perform to to actually test your knowledge. Again, these activities are given based on your personal interest. So this is not compulsory activities, but this is only the activities so that you just go through the concept of the problem solving methodology, that how you can tackle a algorithmic problem manually. And later, when we will start the programming by using any tool, maybe Python or Java, so then we will start that actually how we can solve these problems through computers. I hope these activities will help you to understand the whole methodology of problem solving. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Until next video.